How to remove supervision on Instagram. If any day you would like to remove supervision on Instagram but you do not know how to do the following steps, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Instagram application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After you go to the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search Instagram out there. You have to type Instagram out there, and when you type Instagram out there, you can see the very option of the Instagram application on your mobile device. Now you have to tap on the very Instagram application in order to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. After you launch the Instagram application on your mobile device, you have to go to the profile section on the down portion. After that, you have to go to the three lines on the top. After that, you need to go to the option of the settings and privacy. After you go to the option of the settings and privacy, you have to scroll down until you find the option of the supervision and tap on the very option of supervision. After you tap on the very option of the supervision, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the get started. After you tap on get started like this, now you have to see. So if you have already enabled the supervision, this very screen won't be shown. But if you want to just enable the supervision after that, this very screen will be shown. But since I've not just enabled the supervision on my mobile, I do not need to follow the following steps. But if you had to do that, you just need to search any of the person there. For example, I'm searching one of the person. Just tap on the person and go to the option of the invite there. And after you go to the person very there, now this very person will be added on your supervision. But if you want to just remove it, you have to tap on the very person once again, and after that you have to go to the option of the cancel invitation and tap on the option of the cancel invitation, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.